Thanks for putting that in my head.
Everybody listen up! Attention! Okay, usually we dedicate these fires to something or somebody, some concept, and tonight it's pretty obvious who we dedicate it to and what occasion we dedicate it to. To Sam and Heather, obviously.
Eternal flame! Flame, I want to see this thing burn all year long.
I know. Okay, yeah, this will burn quite a while if in case anybody really. I'm scared.
If somebody has any like hot dogs or something like that, you might want to get them out.
Okay.
Marshmallows.
Yeah.
If anybody wants to burn a witch, it's a good time to throw her in there.
Oh my God! Holy cow!
Wow.
Yeah, these are great.
You excited?
He excited? He knows how to make them.
Oh, I put my pen in there.
I got a Subaru parked in the middle. What happened?
Oh, it's some way.
I don't know if it's paper's kind of damp, so I think.
Blow on it.
Siping some gas out from his car.
It's gonna blow up.
No, he'll
Wow. That was good. It's huge!
I love these. Like burning down a small house.
Building or burning down a small home.
Yeah.
Is that Sam doing it, or who's doing it? Huh? No. Sam and Heather.
Yeah, Bill.
Yeah.
Sam and Heather. Sam and Heather, where are you?
Alex, you're getting some good footage there.
That's pretty exciting right now. I might have to like return when it's actually
I know.
exciting.
Keep going.
There we go. We're going.
Hey, Liz. Where you going? Don't be afraid of fire. Looking for Dad.
Fire is our friend. I believe you can. There's a lot of energy here.
Oh yeah. Last weekend. Alright, here we go. Fire and love. Last time I went to a wedding, and we in a small town, I was jumping jacks.
Bakeley! Get Sam in here for size. I don't even see him. Sam's head. Hey, there it goes. Straight up.
Well, he's been throwing snacks at people all night. And then...
Of course it's nothing, Bob. Did you see that goddamn mound?
It's running on already.
Like you won't fucking believe.
Man,
So fucking cool.
I was getting kind of chilly.
They are...
Getting spoiled with 90-degree weather all night.
Oh,
see, it's expanding. Expanding a little bit over there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 70s, 60s in Yellowstone next week when I'm there.
great idea.
Wow. How can we make it hotter? What?
Yeah.
It's fire. Fire is our friend.
Yeah. Nah,
Yeah, it's so good to get back.
yeah.
Everybody's just slowly walking back. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Alex, take a little video of that, wherever you're at.
There we go. Here, hold on for reference, Dan. That's what I'm saying. Here, get right next to it. Go stand right next to it.
Get in that little hole.
Cold drink? The bottles? Cold.
Sounds good. Yeah. Stick around. bonfire I've ever seen in my life. Wow. That's me too. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture for it. That is fucking epic.
Alright, well...
That's a big fire.
Yeah.
Last time I saw this go down was like fucking Green Mountain grass and having a fucking release.
Oh my god!
Jane, go stand real close to it for size, for scale. Just get like right up next to the fire, the actual flame. There's Jane. There's the fire.
I can't believe Jane's standing
I know. It's alright, Jane. You can come back.
Come on now.
You should come back.
It's turning.
Yeah.
Too bad to respond.
I was kidding. But thank you.
Tim, yeah, you go stand next to him.
It's just getting big, man.
There's Sam. He's smart enough not to get that close.
I can't see.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
I think I might burn up this thing here. Let me get.
Holy shit.
Wooden fucking carburetors around.
We should have a dance around the fire.
What's that wine?
Yeah, so cold. Turn on your glove. I know, seriously, like, he has a face today, you know? I thought he was right in the middle of the fire.
He was on the fire, yeah. Very sorry.
I've got you. You've got me. Oh my God! The left side of my face is burning. Holy crap! He's trying to light the other part of the fire, the back side of it.
Wow, that's an amazing picture.
Holy crap!
Oh my God! That's such an intense flame. Oh my God. It's so intense.
Alright, stopping this thing so my phone doesn't burn up.